Every bulletproof windshield begins with carefully selected raw materials, including silica sand, limestone, soda ash, polycarbonate.
Every raw material is cleaned, crushed, and measured with extreme precision before being automatically mixed into the perfect glass-making.
The perfectly measured mixture is heated to nearly 1600 degrees Celsius, transforming solid minerals into glowing molten glass ready.
The molten glass floats on liquid tin, creating a perfectly flat, crystal-clear sheet with precise thickness. An essential.
The newly formed glass is cooled slowly inside a controlled annealing tunnel, removing internal stress and creating a perfectly stable sheet for. While automated polishing creates smooth, defect-free edges for the next stage. Every glass panel is cleaned to remove even microscopic dust, while transparent polycarbonate is transformed into an ultra-strong protective layer. Inside a dust-free clean room, multiple glass panels, transparent safety film, and polycarbonate are assembled with perfect precision to create. Vacuum lamination removes every trapped air bubble, while extreme heat and pressure inside the autoclave permanently bond every layer into. The laminated glass is precisely cut and heat formed into the exact windshield shape, ensuring a perfect fit for armored luxury vehicles. Every windshield is scanned by advanced laser systems to verify its clarity, thickness, curvature, and optical precision before ballistic. The ultimate challenge begins. High-speed ballistic testing proves that the outer layer absorbs the impact, while
Even after repeated heavy impacts, the laminated structure stays intact, proving the windshield can continue protecting passengers under extreme.
After passing every inspection and safety test, each windshield receives its permanent certification and unique serial number before leaving the factory. After final certification, every windshield is carefully protected, packaged, and prepared for safe delivery to armored vehicle manufacturers.
The finished bulletproof windshield is installed with robotic precision, forming a powerful protective barrier while maintaining crystal clear.
Every windshield is tested to withstand extreme impacts, ensuring maximum protection for passengers in the toughest situations.
From precision engineering to real-world protection, every bulletproof windshield is built to safeguard lives wherever the journey leads.